Have you ever looked up from your phone and realized an hour just vanished? You weren't learning, you weren't growing, you were just scrolling. Let me be honest with you. This isn't just a habit, it's a trap. And every hour we waste is an hour we'll never get back. But here's the good news. You can reclaim your time. You can take back control. And today, we'll talk about how and why before it's too late. 1. Time is life, not just minutes. Let's begin with a powerful truth. When you waste time, you're wasting life. Think about it. Scrolling through videos you don't even remember 5 minutes later. Checking updates that don't help you grow, it feels like relaxation, but it's robbing you. You're not just losing time, you're losing focus, energy, peace, and even your dreams. Because what could you have done with that hour? Written a journal? Learned a new skill? Bonded with family? That is the real cost. 2. The phone isn't evil, but your habits might be. Let's be clear, your phone isn't the enemy, but how you use it, that's what matters. Phones were made to serve you, not the other way around. But many of us became slaves to the scroll. Social media apps are built with one goal, to keep your eyes locked in, so they can sell your attention. And we fall into the trap again and again. It's time to wake up. 3. What are you really searching for when you scroll? Here's a hard question. Why do you scroll so much? Maybe you're bored. Maybe you're lonely. Maybe you're trying to escape your own thoughts. And that's okay. That's human. But here's the thing. No amount of scrolling will fill an empty heart. No amount of likes will give you real love. And no endless feed will give your life meaning. You won't find your purpose in a TikTok. You'll find it in your real life, outside that screen. 4. The hidden damage of constant scrolling. Let's talk about what scrolling actually does to your brain. It shortens your attention span. It makes you feel drained. It kills your creativity. And worst of all, it trains you to avoid silence. You don't want to sit still. You don't want to be bored, so you scroll. But in that boredom is where ideas are born. It's where clarity lives. 5. Imagine this. Reclaim just 1 hour a day. Let's say you take back just 1 hour a day from your phone. That's 365 hours a year. What could you do with that? Learn a new language. Start a side hustle. Build the body you've always wanted. Read 20+ books. Or simply, be present with people you love. Your future is hidden inside those hours you waste. You must protect your mind like it's gold, because it is. 6. How to reclaim your time step by step. Let's get practical. Here's how to stop the scroll and take your time back. Step 1. Turn off all notifications. You don't need to know everything all the time. Silence the noise. Step 2. Use screen time tools. Set app limits. Get a reminder when you hit your daily max. Be honest with yourself. Step 3. Replace. Don't just remove. Don't just stop scrolling. Replace it with something better. A walk, a good book, a journal, a prayer. Step 4. Schedule phone-free time. Give your brain peace. 1 hour a day, no phone. Protect that time. Step 5. Ask this before you open an app. Is this helping my goals or wasting my time? 7. What you'll gain when you stop the scroll. When you reclaim your time, something magical happens. You'll think more clearly. You'll sleep better. You'll feel more confident. You'll become more creative. You'll feel connected to the real world. And slowly, you become the person you were meant to be. Not a consumer, not a follower, but a creator of your own future. 8. Realization. You are in control. Here's a realization that changed everything for me. No one is forcing you to scroll. You are not stuck. You have the power to choose right now. You can put the phone down. You can step into your real life. You can stop being distracted and start being dangerous in the best way. You can rebuild your attention, reclaim your time, and unlock the version of you that's been buried under notifications and distractions. Your time is a gift. Don't waste it. Let me leave you with this. Life is short. Time is precious. And every moment you waste on something meaningless is a moment stolen from your future. You were made for more than endless scrolling. You were made to create, to connect, to grow, to rise. Don't let your phone be the thief that robs you of your potential. Start today, 1 hour at a time. Take your life back and watch your world transform.